I was excited to find family packs of chicken at my local supermarket for 99 cents/lb with a limit of 4. I took one and later decided to grab a second one for freezing. However, when I returned, a man was clearing out the last of the entire row of chicken into his cart. He claimed the chicken was for his dog and told me to buy the more expensive chicken instead. I found one last 99-cent chicken pack in the back and proceeded to check out. When I asked the cashier about the limit, she confirmed it was 4 and offered to let me buy 2 more, but I declined. As I left, I thought to myself, enjoy putting your chicken back, old man, knowing he had taken more than his fair share.